Hey guys, what's going on? Let's talk crypto. Look, it's been a rough ride lately. Prices are down, and everyone's freaking out online. So, is this the end of crypto? Is it time to pack it all in and go buy? Before you hit that sell button, let's take a breather and break down. The crypto market is, well, a market. And markets go up and down, just like that rickety roller coaster you rode at the fair. Remember that crazy fun ride, then the stomach drop? That's kind of like crypto. It's exciting, but it can be scary too. This isn't the first time crypto prices have taken a nosedive. In fact, it happened in 2018, and guess what? Crypto bounced back. Let's take a step back. Cryptocurrency is a new technology, kind of like the internet in the early days. Remember those giant dial-up modems? The internet had its bumps in the road too, but look at us now. The point is, growing pains are normal. This crash doesn't mean crypto is dead. It just means we're in a correction phase. So, what should you do? Don't panic sell. Here are some tips. Chill. This is a marathon, not a sprint. If you believe in crypto's long-term potential, hold on. Do your research. Don't invest in something you don't understand. This is a great time to learn more about the projects you believe in. Focus on the tech. Look beyond the price and see what's happening in the crypto world. Are there exciting new developments? Remember, this is a chance to buy at a discount. Just like you wouldn't throw away your favorite sneakers because they got a little dirty, don't ditch crypto over a temporary dip. Alright, so we talked about staying calm and holding on for dear life. But let's be honest, seeing those red arrows everywhere can be tempting. Fear of missing out, FOMO, is a powerful drug, but don't let it cloud your judgment. Here's how to avoid being a FOMO fool during a crypto crash. Stick to your investment plan. Did you have a plan before the crash? Great. Stick to it. Don't let emotions dictate your financial decisions. Think long-term. Are you in crypto for a quick buck or for the future potential? If it's the latter, write out the short-term bumps. Beware of the noise. Social media can be an echo chamber during crashes. Don't let negativity and FOMO influence your decisions. Do your own research and trust your gut. Remember, crypto is still a developing technology. There will be ups and downs along the way. The key is to be prepared and make informed decisions. Look, crypto crash isn't all doom and gloom. Here are some silver linings, lower entry points. If you've been wanting to invest in crypto, this could be your chance to buy at a discount. Focus on fundamentals. The crash forces investors to look beyond the price and evaluate the underlying tech. Innovation thrives. Tough times often breed innovation. This crash could lead to exciting new developments in the crypto space. So, there you have it. The crypto crash doesn't spell the end. It's a chance to learn, adapt, and potentially score some deals. Stay positive, stay informed, and remember, we're all in this crypto rollercoaster together. So, is crypto dead? Absolutely not. This is a buying opportunity for those who believe in the future. Thanks for hanging out, and let me know your thoughts on the crypto crash in the comments below. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and we'll get through this crypto rollercoaster together.